Hi, so this video is going to be a small workflow to go from SQL to Python visualizations. So I have a very simple project question in front of me, that is to find the median value of the price list. So there's a list price column and we need to find the median value for that. So I'll just write the SQL query and then we'll take it to Jupyter Notebook and visualize it. So here I basically used window functions to assign row numbers to each row, and they are ordered by list price. There's no partition because you're considering the entire table. And then I also did a count to get the total number of rows, and if they are even, then we have to get the average of the two values around the central value, and if they are odd, we just need the central value. So we get the position and the corresponding list price. So we're done with the SQL query. Let's jump to Jupyter Notebook. So I'll get to one of my environments. Right, so I'm in my environment. Also make sure that you have 𝗙𝗂𝗶𝗵𝗃 and 𝗙𝗂𝗶𝗵𝗃 installed to create the database connection. So I'm just going to start my Jupyter Notebook. Right, so I'll do some basic imports, create the database connection and get our data into data frames. I'm going to have to put my password in here, so I'm going to cut this part. Right, so I've hidden that row, but you just have to put your password here and it should all work. Okay, now let's get our data. So right, so here we have our median displayed. Now there is not a lot to plot here because we just have one value, but we can definitely make a box plot, and actually we can see something interesting here. So I'll just write the code and explain it. Okay, so here I'm just selecting the list price column from our table, and we can actually just convert it into a box plot with one line of code. Okay, there we have it. So we've got a box plot and we have more than the median. We have the interquartile range. We have the first, second and third quartiles, and the second one is the median. In fact, we can just zoom in to just see. So this is exactly the answer that we got from our SQL query, and we did it with just one SQL query and one line of Python code. So I think this really drives home the point that you should use the tools that are appropriate for the problem at hand, rather than writing complex SQL queries, basically using a hammer for a nail and a thumbtack. So yeah, this is it for the video. I wanted to create a workflow. I'll be working on a project and I'll be posting the results of that project in a day or two. So I thought I'll share the workflow. If anybody is doing a similar kind of project, it will be helpful. So yeah, this is it for the video. Thank you.